How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Shannon's Garage Australia. Alrighty, so on this episode, I am in the garage. As you can see, I'm not in the workshop at the moment. As I said to you guys previously, I would get back to you and let you know what's been going on and why I haven't been around. So, of late, I have been suffering some pretty bad health issues and haven't been able to work as much as what I've wanted. So yeah, look, I haven't been well. I've been rather sick, but I am on the mend at the moment. So yeah, we're slowly getting back to work. Because of my health issues and everything that I've had going on, I've had to make a few changes. One of those changes is I need to get a bit healthier. So, on that, and the reason why we are in the garage and not the workshop today is I am turning this space into a home gym. So, yep, we're doing the floors with epoxy coat, which I am doing today. Once that sets and dries, we'll get in some carpet squares, we'll put it down on half the garage. I've already bought all the gym equipment and all that kind of stuff. So this episode is actually probably going to run over the next, say, week and a half. I've already prepped the floor, as you can see, filled in all the cracks and got all that ready to go. But today I am going to do the flooring, get the epoxy down, and we'll get this absolutely looking mint. All right, we've gone a titanium grey with these little silver flecks and all that kind of jazz in it. It's going to be really, really nice. But what I'm going to do is I'll take you guys along for the ride with me. And then after that, we'll be back up in the workshop. I do have a new car arriving again today. Something a little bit different. Yes, Shannon's got another car. So, yeah. Anyway, look, I need to get these floors done while the sun's out and shining. Look at that day. Oh, it's so gorgeous. All right, so I'm going to put you on time-lapse while I roll out the floor and let's get this going. Okay, so the painstaking task of masking out the entire perimeter of the garage floor now has been done. So I can now mix up the two-part epoxy coat, which is this is what we're using here. Put in a 10-litre bucket, stir the two of them up together for 10 minutes, and then start laying it on the floor. I've already put the flakes into 4 equal containers, glasses as you can see. So when I break it down in 2 quarters, when I'm doing the painting, then I put the flakes down and that way it all makes it nice and even apparently. So paintbrush is ready, buckets are ready, let's get going. Okay, so part A is already in, part B is about to go in, and then we stir and stir and stir. Yay. Just keep stirring, just keep stirring. Alright, so once this is all stirred up, then we've got to let it sit for 30 minutes. It's called an induction time. And then we're good to start rolling it out. First I'll cut in the edges all the way along. And then start rolling them out before we put the flakes in. So yeah, it's getting exciting now. The floor will be done hopefully by lunchtime today. Yay! Alright, time to put you back on time lapse, guys. So as you can see by the time lapse, got a hell of a lot done. The entire border all around the garage is now coated. So now it's time to start rolling. So yeah, you're gonna start off in this back corner up here where the fridge usually is. You're gonna roll out in a 3x3 meter square, throw down some flakes, move to the next quarter, another 3x3 meter square, and so on and so on and so on until the entire thing's done. It's coming along pretty quick, I guess. Yeah, it's almost lunchtime too, so I will be stopping for lunch once I do the floor, and yay, awesome. That other car should be here soon too. Haven't heard it yet, but it'll be here soon. All right, well, there she is. She's done. What do you reckon? That looks pretty good. It's going to take a couple of days to dry off, but those flakes look really, really cool in there. So, yeah, that's all done. I've got a fair bit left. I might actually head up to the workshop and do just a little bit around where the tools and stuff go. Considering how much I've got left, I may as well use it. So, anyway, that's all done. When it's able to be walked on, I'll take you in for a guided tour of it and let you have a really good look. All right, so just because I had some left over, I thought I would give the workshop a little love as well. What do you think? Look at that. All masked off nice and neatly. Beautiful straight lines. Once the masking tape comes up, that's going to look ripper in there, I reckon. Bloody good day. All right, well, that'll do us for now. Yeah, once that all dries off, we'll start putting the carpet squares in and setting up the home gym and all that kind of jazz. So, yeah, look, for now, I'm not going to end the episode, but I'm going to catch you in a couple of days. All right, stay cool. All righty, well, it is a few days later, 5 days to be precise. As you can see, the floors are now completely dry. I'm walking on them. They look amazing. They came up really, really good. Now it's time to get all of that inside here. So firstly, you can see there's a whole bunch of shelves which will go across this back wall, the side wall, sorry. And then you have a powertrain cable weight system, punching bag, row machine, plus there's a whole bunch of free dumbbell weights and barbells and stuff like that, which you've got to go into. Not to mention carpet squares. Whew. So let's get into it. Yeah, hopefully smash all this out in about an hour or two, and then I can carry on with the rest of my day. All right. Now, before I get stuck into this, it's been a pretty good couple of days, if I'm being honest. So we did have that car arrive, which I will put a clip to it arriving after this. And before I get into this, I will give you a quick look at the car. We also had the Mercedes, the CLA 200. That went back to Mercedes, which I'll put a clip in here as well. That's now come back. That came back today. So it has been a hell of a few days here at Shannon's Garage Australia, between getting the floors done, having a new car arrive, having the Mercedes off to Mercedes to get the new keys, and coming back. It's been chaos, absolute chaos. It's been a hell of a lot of fun. Yeah. All right, let me show you the car that arrived. Yes. All right, well, there she is. It's not a BMW and it's not a Mercedes. That's right, boys and girls. This is the first JDM car to see Shannon's Garage Australia in quite a few years. It is a 2001 V35 Nissan Skyline, or as it's badged, a G35 Infinity Skyline. 2.5 litre V6 non-turbo, does have JIC coilovers and some pretty ugly wheels. I believe they are just factory wheels, but leave a comment below and let me know what they are. Interior wise, she's a bit grubby, but we like grubby here at Shannon's Garage Australia. We'll get this thing looking sweet and schmick in no time. Okay, so there you go. Half the floor is now done. Let's get some gym equipment into this thing now, eh? You. Phew-wee. Wow, it's getting warm in here. But the gym's done. And look at that. One powertrain, 4700 home gym system. Fully operational, fully ready to work out. Can't wait to start working on this tomorrow. We also have, there we go, right there. That is a crane rowing machine. That's going to be more for the wife, more so than me. Not a big fan of them, but yeah, not much more to go in here now. I've got the full shelving system to do, which will take me a fair whack of time, no doubt. I've got to put the fridge in there in the back corner, and there'll also be another shelving system going here. Whew. So yeah, that's, I think it's time for lunch, guys. I am absolutely starving, but this is coming together so well. Absolutely love this. This is going to be wicked. Can't wait. All right, so unfortunately, yours truly forgot to press record. Instead, I took a lovely photo of myself. But anyway, the job got done, and as you can see, the shelving system is now complete at the back as well. I've also put the fridge in. The gym is all set up, the row machine. I've got to get the free weights down from up in the workshop, but otherwise, this is now completely done. As you can see, there is still plenty of room to put the Mercedes and park her car in there, so that'll keep the wife happy. On her, she will be home soon, so I am going to end the video now. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Stick around for more episodes coming up shortly. I am going to start doing some gym episodes as well as car episodes. Like I showed you before, we do have that nice little 2001 model Skyline, so leave a comment below and let me know what you want me to do with that. If you haven't already, go and check me out on Instagram at Shannon's Garage Australia. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for more content, and remember, stay cool.